If you want to watch local channels on Hulu, you'll need to subscribe to Hulu Plus Live TV, and the good news is, it's easier than ever. Here's how to do it, step by step. Step 1. Sign up for Hulu Plus Live TV. Head over to hulu.com or open the Hulu app. Plans start at $89.99 per month and include access to 100 or more live channels, unlimited DVR storage, and full access to the Disney Plus, Hulu, and ESPN Plus streaming libraries. New subscribers can start with a 3-day free trial, and you can cancel anytime. Step 2. Check which local channels are available in your area. Not every channel is available in every city. Local channel availability depends on your physical location in certain markets. You can watch every major local network, including ABC, CBS, Fox, and NBC. Unless there's a blackout on a specific program, you can enter your zip code on Hulu's website to discover exactly which local channels are available in your area. Step 3. Start watching local channels. Once you're signed in, open the Hulu app or website. Go to the Live tab to find the channel guide. From there, you can either click the search icon and type the channel name like CBS and look for it labeled as a network, or simply browse the live guide manually. Step 4. Use the Cloud DVR optional. The base Hulu Plus Live TV plan comes with Unlimited Cloud DVR Storage, and all recordings are saved for up to 9 months or until you delete them, whichever comes first. This means you can record the local news, a live game, or any show and watch it whenever it's convenient. Bonus tip: watch on multiple devices. A Hulu Plus Live TV subscription lets you watch on up to 2 screens at the same time. If your household needs more, you can add the unlimited screens option to watch on more devices simultaneously at home.